In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable DirectX 12 on Steam. By the end, you'll have your game launching with DirectX 11 by adding a Steam launch option, which effectively turns off DirectX 12 for that title. First, open Steam. If it's already running, bring the window to the front so you can work in it. Next, go to Library. You'll see your list of games on the left. This is where we'll apply the setting to a specific game. Right-click the game you want to change. Use the right mouse button on the game's name in the list to open the context menu. This ensures we're adjusting settings only for this one game, not for your whole Steam client. Click Properties. This opens the game's settings window where we can enter a launch option. You should see a field labeled Launch Options on this screen. In Launch Options, type -DX11. Type it exactly like this with a leading hyphen. DX11. No spaces before it, no quotation marks, and no additional characters. This flag tells the game to start using DirectX 11, which disables DirectX 12. Take a moment to double-check the entry. A common mistake is typing -DX12 by accident or using the letter L instead of the number 1. You want two number 1s, -DX11. If anything else is already in the Launch Options box, keep it on the same line separated by a space only if you're certain it's needed. If you're not sure, remove other text so the only entry is -DX11. This change is safe and reversible. Close window. You don't need to click anything else here. Just close the Properties window to save the setting. Steam remembers what you typed, so there's no separate Save button to press. Launch the game. Start it the same way you normally do from your library. With -DX11 set, the game will now run using DirectX 11 instead of DirectX 12. This can help if you were experiencing crashes, stuttering, or other issues related to DirectX 12 on your hardware or drivers. If the game opens as expected, you're done. A few quick notes to help you avoid confusion as the game starts. Some titles display the Graphics API on their splash screen or in the Graphics Settings menu. If you happen to see that, it should now indicate DirectX 11. Not all games show this on screen, so don't worry if you don't see it. The important part is that the launch option is set correctly. If you ever need to undo this change later, return to the same Launch Options box, delete -DX11, close the window, and launch the game again. That restores the default behavior without affecting any other games in your library. To recap what you just did on Steam, you opened Steam, went to Library, right-clicked the game, clicked Properties, typed -DX11 in Launch Options, closed the window, and launched the game. Those steps apply per game, so only the title you edited is affected. This is a clean, targeted way to disable DirectX 12 on Steam without changing any global system settings. At this point, DirectX 12 is disabled for this game, and it will launch using DirectX 11 from now on. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.